ShiptiDock has allowed us to centralize all our appointment scheduling into a single tool.
First, the STEF Group is a French company. It is the European leader in food transport and logistics. Today, the company has 20,000 employees across 300 sites in 8 countries. Before ShiptiDock was implemented, our appointment management was quite manual. We received bookings via email, phone, or sometimes carriers would even show up on site without an appointment. The schedule itself was mainly managed in Excel, with data scattered across several systems. The main challenge we wanted to address was the ability to track the service quality and punctuality of our carriers and suppliers. The second objective was to be able to define the resources required to manage this activity smoothly.
Our choice of this solution was driven by several criteria. First, ShiptiDock allows us to standardize our receiving processes across our various warehouses. Second, it simplifies our training processes. Third, it is very easy to deploy. Our daily use of ShiptiDock at the Darvault branch starts with a receiving supervisor reviewing all the receptions scheduled overnight, then assigning the various team members to the different warehouse units. The main benefits of ShiptiDock for the Darvault branch include better short, medium, and long-term activity planning, as well as improved dock capacity management. ShiptiDock is a digital interface that is seamless and user-friendly for all employees alike.